Hello, good morning. Actually, it's not morning, it's actually I think 12ish or something. Today is Saturday. I had no plans, but now me and Rebecca have suddenly planned to just meet up, and that's a hi from Bella. I really need to stop doing this. Oh, I dropped it. It has been so cold here in Bangalore. It's like crazy, like just like your normal water has that really cold temperature, and also I want to go out, but I also don't want to take bath because it's really cold, but I have to take bath. So I don't know what to do. I haven't been sleeping properly from some days. I go through that phase all the time, and also you will see me in this all the time because I don't know, this just feels very cozy and it feels like a hug, and this was purchased from Levi's, I think, so I'm constantly going to be in this whenever it's cold. But yeah, I think I'm just going to take a shower, though I don't want to, but at least I don't have to wash my hair. I just wash my body and get ready and then show you guys what I'm wearing. And at least my room is really clean. I managed to finish the Christmas cleaning well in advance so that my room will be out of the way and I can focus on the other parts of the house. But yeah, I will get ready, I will show you my outfit, and maybe vlog meeting Rebecca. You guys like Rebecca a lot, so let's see if she's in the mood to be on camera today. So bye. Okay, so I got ready. I wanted to change my lip color, but today for some reason nothing's working out. My lips weren't looking like the way I usually like it, but yeah, I'm getting late. I'll just show you guys my outfit. My mirror is really dirty, but I'm wearing this white blouse with some black jean and these flats because they go with my cardigan, and that is all. I'm just going to leave now. Say hi to my girls.
Hi. How are you guys? Long time. Okay. God, I'm trying to find it.
Say something. Girls like you, Rebecca.
Hi guys. How are y'all?
Long
time.
How do you know it's Miriam's mask?
Yeah, it's full of lipstick.
Seriously, when I remove it, I have lipstick all over my face. Tell your words of wisdom.
Too much bread. No words of wisdom. Just
Don't date. Stay single.
Just be happy. Focus on your life. Enjoy. Have fun with your girlfriend. Eat healthy food.
But it's so scary, you know, people see you. You're like that kid, you know, camera comes and you're like...
We had a long day today. We went shopping, we ate,
We didn't eat. What?
I mean, we didn't push.
The salad was very dry.
Yeah.
What lipstick are you wearing?
Something from Sephora. I think. I don't even remember. I don't have it in my bag. What lipstick are you wearing?
I'm
Huda
wearing-
Beauty.
yeah.
Rich girl is wearing Huda Beauty.
What rich girl? I bought Huda after how many years?
Yeah.
It was a very impulsive buy during my difficult phase. We are in Starbucks, no?
Yeah.
We don't always come to Starbucks. This is the first time I'm coming here. This is right behind my house, and this is the first time. You must be going, no, to Starbucks.
Sometimes. Not that much.
I don't understand why.
It's expensive, but it's tasty.
And I don't drink coffee.
Yeah, even me, I don't drink coffee. Look at
It smells nice.
yeah. Let me know if you need more sugar. I'll bring. COVID.
No, I think it's fine.
And this is my drink.
What is your drink?
Salted caramel
Minus some hazelnut.
hazelnut latte.
Say bye.
Bye. See you guys soon.
Wear your mask. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello, I just reached home. Sanitized everything. A lot of you all comment on my vlog saying, oh, you didn't sanitize this, you didn't sanitize that. Oh my god. But I sanitize everything outside and get it. I bought a few things. I usually don't shop much, but now that I have gained weight, my waist size has increased from 26 to 28. And all my jeans are like 26. And I can't even get rid of those jeans because I might need them if I ever lose weight. But do you guys want to see everything that I bought? Okay, I'll show it to you guys. I'm so tired, guys. Okay, so the first thing that I bought is this shrug. I don't know, I've been seeing this color everywhere and I think it's in now. Tied it. Yeah, so this is how it is. It's like a cropped shrug. It has a hoodie, but it's a very nice bright color and I like it. There's no purpose, like this is not going to make you feel warm or anything, but it's just stylish and it looks nice. So I bought this in the size extra small. I don't think you guys are interested in the price. Next I bought this. Actually Rebecca bought for me. She bought this phone case from Chumbak. I usually buy my phone cases from Chumbak only because I like the quality. And this perfume also is from Chumbak. It's like a mini one. I like carrying these in my wallet. Next, although we got this very nice necklace. It has like different colors. Me and Rebecca bought the same one because we both liked it, and there was a sale going on, so that's why it is nice. I also bought few masks from Only. These were really nice. I bought this one also from them. These are like really good quality and they fit my face really well. Next, I always see Rebecca in denim jackets and it looks really nice on her. And I've never bought a denim jacket till now for myself, so I thought I'll just like buy one. So I think you guys saw me try this in the store as well, but it's like the right size and it's quite warm. I really liked it. It was a little bit pricey, but you know, this is like something that you can use for years, so I bought this. And I also bought Tyrek. I also bought this top. I'll just wear it for you guys. I bought this top. I don't own anything in this color and it's like an extremely fitting, like figure hugging kind of a top. And I've been working out, so I thought I can buy it, but something nice. Maybe like a white spaghetti inside will look nice. Yeah, this is what I bought. And the last thing that I really liked and I'm very happy I bought it is a bag from Aldo. How cute is this bag, guys? Like, I'm just so obsessed with this bag. It's like, you know, any simple outfit, it will instantly like make it look very nice. It's a sling and I don't own anything in white, so I thought this would be nice. It was a little pricey, but bags are like an investment, so this is what I got next. So that's it, guys. That is everything that we did today and bought. Me and Rebecca, we met after I think our heart-to-heart episode and we had no plans of meeting, but it just happened and we went shopping. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.